Alright guys, here we have one of my favorite devices that I have gotten off of Amazon. So this is a... Where's the charging? Oh, the charging is on the side. This is a micro USB charge. The little trapezoid. It is a rechargeable Bluetooth keyboard, and I attached this. I have it connected to my Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, I think is the name, something like that. And I love it because whenever I'm writing a fanfiction or writing up a Google Doc or ChatGPT, it's clickety. You just gotta make sure that it's really charged though, because once the charge starts to go down, it starts to feel like you got sticky keys that you need to do this whole number for. But yeah, I've had this for a few years now, and I love it. It still has served me really well, and honestly, I've been looking for this for months, and I didn't realize that it was at Cody's house. But now that I was there, I saw it, noticed it, and now it is back home with me, and I'm so happy. And as you can see over here, it is compatible with Mac or non-Mac devices with the control and command keys. But yeah, I absolutely love this, and because I also have a magnetic case on my tablet, I just like to magnetize this because this is magnetizable back here. This is magnetizable back here. It just attaches right onto my tablet, which is really cool. And yeah, this is a very good if you are a fanfiction writer, if you like planning all your stuff on the go on a tablet, you don't want to take your laptop around, this is a perfect little companion for your tablet. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!